and adipose tissue. And today's class we discuss about one more connective tissue. It is called as uh, bone. Connective tissue meaning itself I explained you in the previous class. If you have not listened, just you go and watch the before topic here. Connective tissue means here as it connects each and every part of a body. So bone also connects each and every part of body. Maximum I'm saying, not total, completely our body it won't cover. So maximum 90% our body is covered by connective tissue only. Understood? 90 to 99% it is covered by connective tissue. So bone I cannot say completely. Ear pinna will be there. So ear, this means this edge, it does not have any bone. So in some areas bones are lacking. Understood? And nose also made up of smooth bone. It is not complete bone. Understood? So that here you need to remember that bone is a connective tissue. Maximum it covers all our body parts. And here what is a bone is made up of means here calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. These two compounds bone will be making very stronger. And these salts are also secreted by osteocytes in our bone. Understood? In the bone osteocytes are present here. So those osteocytes are most important, and they produce this and release into the bone. Understood? In the bone cells, can you see osteocytes are there here? These osteocytes will produce a maximum calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. These two compounds will be released into the central bone, which will make, and there is a canal called as Harvation canal. So that will be helping to release these compounds into the bone marrow. So usually whenever you just bring a meat at your homes here, some people are interested to eat inside material, that is called as bone marrow. Bone marrow consists of RBCs and WBCs. Those are most important here. And some people will be habit of eating this inside bone marrow, and those people will be getting a good source of iron and good source of RBCs. That means here the element which is helpful for production of RBCs in our body, they can get high nutrients will be there in that bone marrow. Understood? So chicken bone marrow also some people will be eating, but I won't recommend to eat a chicken bone marrow. Chicken piece bone marrow will be there. So in chicken bone also bone marrow will is present. But due to high due to high influx of these vaccines and antibiotics to the hen or to the broiler hen, so meat will be consisting of chemicals only. So in bones also chemicals are present. So rather you need to stop eating the bone inside the bone material, bone marrow, by the uh, chicken. Understood? So this is the bone structure. You can see here hardest particle will be there, and that's how it is known as the connective tissue. Here two hardest structures are present here, and it will make very hard bone structure. Why? It is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. And this whole bone will be forming a separate system called as skeletal system. Separate system known as skeletal system. And this is the chief element. But for example, in sharks, no any skeletal system is present. And in every organism where skeletal system is present, they are considered to be vertebrates. Vertebrates. Usually we are called as humans, called as vertebrates. Why? Because we have bones. Understood? Cows, lions, and dogs, and all animals whatever you see, they have bones. Those whose animals having bones, they are known as vertebrates here, and we also called as vertebrates. But actually what is present in the bone, we will have a look here. In the bone here you can see the internal structure of bone is there. Understood? And here can you see Harvation canal? This is what the Harvation canal, whatever the cells produce any material, calcium phosphate or calcium carbonate, that will release into the Harvation canal. Understood? So that much compactly packed. If you see here how much neatly they are packed here, bone cells, and they cannot be movable, they cannot move, only they secrete these secretions and release into this. And can you see these thread like structures are there here, most important. And these thread like structures are the binders here. And can you see cells like structures are there here? These are called as canaliculi. So that means like a canal will be forming, and complete this canaliculi whole structure is known as the osteocyte. So in your exam, what is the cell present in the bone? Means you need to write osteocyte. So this is what known as osteocyte. And one more thing here you need to remember, the canal what is present inside central, for every one osteocytes group of osteocytes, one Haversian canal is present, and that canal is referred as Haversian canal. Haversian canal. This Haversian canal, along with that osteocytes, group of osteocytes, is known as osteon. That means how many osteons are there? One, two, and this incomplete. So like that, approximately three osteons are there here. One osteon consists of one Haversian canal and group of osteocytes. This is important. Understood? And one more thing here, the thread-like structures are called as canaliculi. So this is about bone, but there is another structure called as cartilage. What is cartilage here? For example, your nose is made up of smooth bone. Have you noticed that your nose is made up of smooth bone, and your ear also, it will be moving this side and that side. Your ear will be moving this side and that side. Why it moves here? It is made up of cartilage. Now cartilage means what do you understand by the term now cartilage? It is a smooth bone. It is a smooth bone. So this smooth bone is consisting of weakly calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. Very weak cells will be present, and where they are present here, at your joints, wherever your joints. Tickling sound will be getting. No, some members will be having a habit of making sounds with fingers, tickling sounds. They will just bend these fingers, and a tick sound will be getting, popping out sound will be getting. So that sound will be getting between cartilage, one fluid will be there, cerebrospinal fluid, so that will be making this sound. Understood? And one more thing here, it also present between the ribs. Can you see here, this is a hand joint here, so between this can you see white portion here, this region is completely cartilage. So if you are making the tickling sound completely throughout your ear, and at 60 years of age, your bones becomes very very weaker. You must not do tickling sounds. Tickling sounds if you are doing means you are pouring out the useful liquid outside the body. That means very good fluid will be there between our joints, so that you are throwing outside daily. So if you are throwing outside daily means what will happen? Your bones cannot be that strong. Understood? And still, what are the areas these cartilages are present? As I said here, nose is made up of smooth bone, and your ear pin also made up of smooth bone. And one more thing here, trachea means here, if this is your head region and this is the neck region, throat will be there. So that throat, if you touch means Adam's apple will be getting, that region totally will be having like a tube like structure. So that tube is also made up of cartilage. Understood? So cartilages, these are all what they are called as here, they are known as smooth bones. Understood? They have made up of smooth bones. Entire fish consists of cartilage. You cannot say fish bones as a bones. They are cartilages. They are cartilages. They are not that much strong here. Only weakly there. Central bone will be there. That okay, we can call it as a bone. But side bones we can name it as a cartilage. Next time when you get a fish to your home, you need to think that fish does not have many bones. Only single bone and cartilages are present surrounding that. Understood? And cartilage is very hard, but not as a bone. That also you need to remember. Cartilages are okay strong, but not that strong like bone. Understood? And one more thing is there to remember here, ligament here. So cartilage we have completed, bone we have completed, ligament is there here. So what is a ligament here? Let us erase this total. So ligament means here that will connect it also. Cartilage is also a connective tissue, ligament also connective tissue. So what is the use of this here? Usually you can see here bones are there here. Can you see here bones are there? These bones are connected tightly to these joints. These are called as joints. Understood? Here can you see many joints are there? So when a bone is connected to a joint, that can be done only by ligament. Ligament is like a fevicol. Understood? It will link a bone to joint. It will make so this ligament are like fibers. So wherever bone joints are there, you can expect these fibers. Wherever joints are there, here joint is there, here joint is there. Your leg, so your leg has a joint here. Our rib cage, lungs, rib cages will be having joints. So wherever joints are there, you can see this ligament, and ligament is not a bone, it is a fiber like structure. Understood? Coconut, have you seen coconut coir will be there. So like that fibers will be there in our body, and that is many times you might have eaten. Why? Because chicken and mutton, fish you are eating now, so you might have eaten ligaments also by the time. And one more thing here to remember, these fibers are made up of a protein called as collagen. This many times they asked in your annual examinations. Collagen protein, it is made up of ligament. That means ligament is made up of collagen. Complete ligament consists of only collagen, and this collagen is like elastic in nature. Elastic in nature means like extensible. Understood? So it extends here and there. And there is one more part here we discussed about connective tissue, bone, cartilage. You have cartilage, ligament. Along with the ligament, here one more part is there, tendon. So tendon, it is that when a muscle is connecting to the bone, that is by tendon. When muscle is connecting to bone, for example, again we just discuss about chicken piece. So inside chicken piece, bone will be there, and this bone and this chicken piece is linked by tendon, and this is also one connective tissue. So connective tissue, so far we discussed about differently: bone, cartilage, ligament, tendon. These we have discussed. And in tomorrow's activity we will in tomorrow's class we will discuss about blood. Blood is the most important topic. Definitely one question will be coming with respect to blood as a connective tissue. Many connective tissues we discussed here: muscle, bone, cartilage, ligament, tendon we discussed. Tomorrow one more thing it is adding: blood. And this is an important class in your ninth class, third chapter, animal tissues. Understood? This is all for today. Have a good day ahead.